This thing, Asus. This thing is gonna meet a new system. Okay, so it's booting. Let's put the CD in. Okay, let's put the CD in. Bro. Oh, it's Windows 98. Let's close it properly and let's boot now. I think it's delete. Oh, this is delete. F2. Then advanced display boot. Boot settings, Azure quick boot enabled. Boot device priority. First, this has to be the second one. Exit, save, and now boot from the CD. Oh my god, boot. Oh, it's booting actually. Yep, do full. Oh, okay, it's starting. Okay, it's booting. Okay, searching for boot device.
2,000 years later.
What? Yep, so I have to try another ISO. Okay, I'm back. Let's try now. I can just do anything because this is super lightweight. I just do this. This was actually installed on RAMs, so this is why it's pretty fast. Okay, so I'm on the desktop. This is macOS, like. What is this? C install? Oh, so this is the actual installation, I think. Hold this. What is? So where are the apps actually? Okay, this is the control panel. Let's see some things. A mouse tool. Okay, apply wallpaper. Let's try something different. Background image. Okay, I don't have this. Yep, I can't now. I mean I can, but I don't want to. Mount tool. Oh, so this is just partitions. Exit editor, control panel, apps. Okay, apps. Yeah, sure. Oh, network. I have to connect to the network somehow. Okay. I don't have internet. Where am I? Oh, okay. Better now. Oh, Wi-Fi. Yep, it says Wi-Fi. Okay, 1 is mine. Okay, password. I hope it's connected. Okay, so apps. Okay, I'll just close this. And where's the browser now? If it even is here. C install. Okay, install bootloader. Next. Just do ext4. Proceed. It has new Windows 95 now. Okay, where's the partition mounter? Okay, it's here. It's DI1. Okay, it's doing something. If I unmount and rerun the installer. Oh, not this. This. Full disk, SDI. Yep, install bootloader. ext4. Okay, Wi-Fi support, wireless firmware, installer application, non-US keyboard, and yep, do both. Installation, proceed, and install now. Oh my god, it's so bright again. Okay, now it's darker. I'll just check something. Okay, I'm back now. It's installing. Do I have browser actually? I don't think so. Control panel. Where's the system stats? Let's see this. CPU, Intel Pentium M, genuine Intel, yep, I know this. Memory, 1 GB, free 700 and yeah, that number. Installed. Boot. Processes, modules, memory. Okay, I can see the GPU. and exit. Okay, and I'm in. EFN. Okay. Sure save. DR. Such a good name. What do I have? Apps? Yeah, sure. Network issue, but I think I'm connected. Okay, 1. I think I have to connect again. Okay, is apps. Okay, what do I have here? I just want a simple browser. Here, select fastest speed node. Okay, so it's checking now. Yep, sure. I just want a simple browser. Bluetooth now. Okay, if there is any browser or Firefox, if it is there. EF, okay. Maybe it can be here. Just firmware things. Firmware. Oh, Firefox. Oh, Firefox ESR. What should I choose? Get latest. Okay, ESR. Okay, so how do I download? Okay, so let's try this. Okay. Oh, it said it has downloaded. What about some Google or what? If it is there. I don't think so. Oh, it's high. Google latest is this 1.8 it said. What if I reboot now? Okay, so where's my Firefox? Something. View das applications. Oh, it's there. Firefox. Okay, so it's downloading the Firefox now, and it's a lot faster than it. So time-lapse time. Enter to exit. Let's see, applications, Firefox, Firefox. Oh yeah, it's the new logo, so it's the latest actually. Okay, I'm in Firefox actually. Let's try YouTube. Okay, so my clock is wrong, it said. Wikipedia. Okay, so it finally actually loads. What about YouTube? This is a rough one. It was pretty fast actually. Let's scroll and accept and try to add something. Okay, so I'm gonna search myself. Yep, it found me. Yep, so this is my new video. Let's see if it's gonna load actually. Yep, I knew it. And why can it? Yeah, it says it's up to date. So what's the problem? Maybe the computer being 32-bit i386. I mean, let's see Reddit. I mean TikTok. I think it's never gonna load. Wikipedia works, I think. Okay, so Wikipedia works. Let's see. Asus. Like this laptop. Okay, so here is Asus. What about Reddit? It was actually pretty fast. Okay, let's see. The scrolling actually works. Let's see shitty ass electronics. Okay, is it gonna type or not? Oh, because it's an American keyboard, I think. Okay, so here goes why. Yeah. This is one of my favorites. So this is just dumb things. Okay. So I don't know what to do now, so bye.